Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today the video is all about a surface that I'm chalking on. I posted something in my Facebook page, which is Mother-Daughter Crafting, so if you'd like to check it out, about a new surface that I'm going to do. And trying to see if anybody could guess what it was. It's a bunch of wooden pieces. And, you know, I was thinking you could make hearts out of it, you know, paint them or stain them, put them on frames. Or flowers, you know, have several of these going out. But that's not what I did. I made some earrings and chalked on them. Cute, right? I love Couture. It's very contagious. It's hard to put down and stop doing it. And I want chalk on everything. So let me show you how I did this. To begin with, on wood, it's a very porous surface. So I just took some of my Minwax and put that on and then buffed it off. It just gave a barrier and it makes it much easier to chalk on, and it also protects your transfer from any slivers or little particles that might get on it. It makes it much easier, and you don't use near as much paste. So I started out, you see here, I used, the first one I used was a Christmas tree pattern, and I used that. And then the rest of them are pretty much all background transfers. Now I'm saying transfers all the time, just take it for granted you know what I'm talking about. It's a silk screen transfer. It's sticky on one side, and all the parts that you see are white is a netting, and that's what makes more professional results when you chalk through that netting. So here I'm just going through different ones. The main object I was trying to do was make them look like they were a pair, make them look as much the same as possible. It wasn't that hard once I got started. I did all of these in black. Of course, you could do any color you want. You could also, which my husband suggested and was a good idea, I thought, and I'm going to try it yet, is stain it. And I have some new stain that one is aqua, the other one is sage. I thought that'd be pretty. We'll see. And two, like I said in the beginning, you could you glue them together, make hearts or flowers, put them on frames, just a little extra decoration instead of bows or ribbons. And I used several ones. Like one on the left there looks kind of like chicken wire to me, but I'm sure that's not what it's called. Anyway, it was just kind of fun to see what I could pull out there, what I could make. Now, when I was all done, I did take this and I put it in the sink and washed the front and the back with just water, and then I used Clorox wipes, both sides, and let it dry, sticky side up. And then, once it was all dry, I just took it and put it back on my backing, the glossy side of the backing to the sticky side of the transfer. And there they all are. After this was all done, then my husband sprayed it with a protective so it wouldn't scratch off. I mean, you can rub it, but this way it has a little more protection on it